Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the Bosch 500 series dishwasher unboxing. So we just received this dishwasher and yeah, it's been a great setup overall. We had to fix some of the plumbing thing. Besides that, everything else is working great. Nothing with the dishwasher and had any problems at all. It was perfect. One of the things I wanted to note, there's a little trick over here that's kind of useful. So if you loosen this, that thing goes down a little bit, just in case you have some big spoons and such of that. Here you could put some forks or larger spoons. Forks would probably go there, and maybe spoons go there. And totally adjustable on the left side and the right side. Of course, if we go deeper, you're going to lose some space on the second shelf that's underneath it. So keep that in mind. The shelf rollers are pretty good, and it's pretty easy to move. Now I wouldn't say it's super smooth, but it's good enough for me. So these are, we have some plates over here. You probably want to put some pots and pan on the bottom one, of course. Yes, there's actually a filter over here. We want to keep nice and clean. So very easy to remove as well too. You can see the two arrows intersect. That's the part that you want to lock it up. So if you want to loosen it, just turn counterclockwise, just like that, and you can take it out and clean. So, but make sure to check this over time, so you don't want that to get clogged. All right, so that could be a problem. So you put it in, turn clockwise, and both arrows intersect, and that's how you know that it's locked in place. So over here, oh yes, they talk about using the Finish Powerball Quantum. So I'm just gonna put it over here, and also there's a rinsing agent, and you can put it over here as well too. So a little bit of controls. So this is an unboxing video. Hit the on button to turn it on. You got the cycles: heavy, auto, normal, speed 60, and rinse. So heavy, I never gonna use much. Auto, maybe normal, and rinse. So rinse, probably use it sometimes, depending. And the options are delay, half low, delicate, sanitize, and auto air. And the LCD doesn't flash that fast, and it's just my camera. So if you notice, you add the sanitize feature on, the time increases. But if you add the auto air, it increases a lot. So keep that in mind. If you want your dishes to be done way sooner and you want to end faster, or save some energy, don't turn on auto air, for example, right? Sanitize adds some time to the overall process. So once you have the unit on, it's pretty quiet overall, 44 decibels, all right? And yeah, so this solid red light on the lower right is a good sign. If it's blinking, that means there's a problem or something's not right. So if solid red, that means it's a good sign. One thing about this dishwasher on the outside, yes, you get watermarks and stuff like that. Maybe some fingerprints could happen. The controls are tucked away under the shelf over there, and the handle is pretty easy to open and close, so it's not a problem. Very refined dishwasher. So I didn't go for the 800 series because I didn't believe I had to spend extra money for the crystal dry, and I didn't want to go for the low end because I like some of the features. Hopefully this video was helpful. Really appreciate thumbs up, comment to share. Please leave it below, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.